If you're concerned about digital ID implementation in the UK, here are legitimate democratic ways to engage. Political engagement. Contact your MP. They need to know constituents' views, especially if legislation is proposed. Respond to consultations. The government often runs public consultations on digital policy. Support relevant organizations. Groups like Big Brother Watch, Liberty, Open Rights Group, and Privacy International actively campaign on these issues. Local government. Many councils are decision makers on ID requirements for services. Raise awareness. Share information about privacy implications with your community. Write to local newspapers or call into radio shows. Use social media to discuss concerns constructively. Organize or join local meetings on digital rights. Practical considerations. Understand what's voluntary versus mandatory. Currently, UK digital ID is voluntary. Know your rights to use alternative methods. For example, paper documents. Support businesses and services that maintain non-digital options. Document any cases where services become inaccessible without digital ID. Key arguments often raised. Risk of exclusion for elderly, disabled, or digitally disadvantaged groups. Cybersecurity and data breach concerns. Potential for function creep and surveillance. Costs versus benefits. Maintaining freedom of choice. The UK's democratic system means public opinion and engagement can significantly influence policy direction. The 2010 ID card reversal shows that these campaigns can be effective. Your concern about bank account access is very valid and shared by many. Here's what's important to know. Current protections. Banks are legally required to keep your financial data confidential under UK banking law. Government agencies need specific legal powers, like court orders, to access account information. GDPR provides additional data protection rights. Digital ID systems are currently separate from banking systems. Potential risks to watch. Function creep, where ID systems gradually expand to link with financial services. Programmable digital currencies, CBDCs, that could theoretically enable more monitoring. Requirements to link digital ID to access banking services. Data sharing between government departments. What you can do. Ask your bank about their digital ID policies and what data they would share. Read the fine print when any service asks to link to banking. Support cash access. Use cash regularly and support businesses that accept it. Choose banks carefully. Some are more privacy-focused than others. Write to your MP specifically about financial privacy concerns. Support financial privacy campaigns by groups like Positive Money UK. Key questions to raise publicly. Will digital ID ever be required for banking access? What firewalls exist between ID systems and financial data? Will anonymous private transactions remain possible? What oversight exists for any financial data access? Your financial privacy is a fundamental right worth protecting. Being vocal about these specific concerns helps ensure they're addressed in any policy development.